Welcome. In this video, we learn to split the chapters of a report book or thesis into different parts. Parts you would have seen in many books. For example, in this book, chapters have been divided into different parts. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, and so on. Here I have a very simple document. Document class is report. Table of contents. There are some chapters. I want to keep first 4 chapters in part 1. In part 2, I want to keep these 2 chapters. And the rest chapters are the parts independent. Dividing the chapters into parts in LaTeX is very simple. Just use a part command at the place where you want to print. So I'll have to use a part command at this place. Title. Similarly, for second part, we need to use a part command at this place. Part 1, Part 2. Part number style can be changed using renew command. In the preamble, just write /renew command / the part. I want to print in alphabetical style. In curly bracket, write part. We can also change the style of part title. Again, write renew command / part name. I want to print in uppercase. We can also add part word in the main table of contents. For this, just use a TalkLoft package. Renew command / cft part press num. Write part, one blank space. Alright. Here for each part I want to create one mini table of contents. For this, just use a title talk package. We can also use mini talk package. Then after part command, just write start contents. One more command we need to use, that is print contents. There are 3 mandatory arguments. First one is for prefix, means for formatting of the talk. If you don't write anything, then default setting will be taken. Whatever is used by main table of contents, I'll leave it as blank. In second curly bracket, we need to write a start label. For the part, top label entry is chapter, and for chapter label is 0. Last bracket is for the local code. This setting will be used for only this table of contents, not for the main contents. For example, here we can set the contents margin locally. Use the same commands for the part 2. Mini talk is coming, but it is starting from the next page. Here in the second part, I want to just include these 2 chapters, but other chapters are also coming. For excluding these parts, we need to use stop contents. Just write stop contents. Use this command at the place from where you don't want to include the chapters. Here I only want to print chapters, not sections, subsections, or any other headings. So in this bracket, just write set counter, talk depth, and counter number. For including only chapter, it is 0. Now we need to shift the mini talk at the same page where part heading is starting. For this, we'll use title sec package. Then just write title format. Write the name of the sectioning command. It's part shape. A set of shape is provided by title shape package. You can see the manual. I'm going to use display. Actually, I have explained this package several times in different videos, so not going to describe this in detail. Here we can set the format. Label, just write the part. This is the gap between label and title. I'll take 10 point. Formatting before title. I want to use a rule, title rule, and after title one more rule. We can change the spacing after and before the rules. Just write V space. Here at this place I want to add part word. At this place just write part name command. For shifting this we need to use one more command which is known as title class. Title class. Name of the sectioning command, that is part. There are two options, top and straight. Here we need to use top. These commands we can use with title format. At this place font size has been changed. Just write normal size. Also we can change the spacing between top and title of the part. We can also create a clickable mini talk. Just use Hyperref package. Let us check the PDF file. First part, second part. In second part, apart from these two chapters, other chapters are also coming. For this we can use a bookmark package. And at this place just use bookmark setup. Start at root, just write there. First part, second part, and the remaining content. Here the word part is not coming in main talk. Even we have added at this place. The reason is that TalkLoft and TitleSec packages both together don't work well. What we can do, we can remove this. This one also we don't need to use, and at this place just use this command. So in this way you can divide your chapters into parts, and also you can print a mini talk for each part. That's all. Thanks for watching.